She's talented. She's hip. And very pretty. Pero ang pinaka-astig sa lahat, she's got real mean kicks. Yan si Sara Castañeda, the 11-year-old prodigy who plays for the De La Salle Zobel Booters. Yeah! Sarah's soccer career began when she was 7. She wants to follow in the footsteps of her older brother.
I realized that I wanted to play soccer because my brother started to play. Then when I saw him, I liked to play soccer. And it runs in our family.
When I saw her playing with the girls' sport team when she was only 9, and she was carrying the team. She was the smallest player, but she was carrying the team. So that says a lot already about one certain individual.
Yep, Sarah's that strong and healthy. Laking Alaska kasi.
Eat the right food, drink milk before sleeping, and getting 9 to 10 hours of sleeping.
I make sure she eats the proper food and, of course, milk every day. That's the most important to make her healthy and strong.
Dahil sa Alaska, with lakas NutriBuilder, she gets higher levels of bone-building nutrients like vitamin B complex, phosphorus, calcium, and iron na tumutulong sa bone development sa paglaki niya.
The bones develop, so it gets bigger, then you get to play more. And it helps you in the muscles, so if somebody pushes you, you can push them back and you won't fall right away.
This active and energetic football genius also describes herself as a goofball around her teammates.
She's so talkative because she told me that the teacher always calls her name.
But once she steps on the field, she transforms into a serious player, determined to win.
On the field, she's really good. So like when we're playing against her, it's like hard because you get intimidated because her skills are so good.
Actually, for high school na nga yung skills niya kasi it's really advanced.
Winning games is nothing new for Sarah, who led the Makati Football Club to their first title at the Costa Blanca Cup in Spain. This European trip last summer also brought her to the Football Festival in Denmark and to the Gothia Cup in Sweden, wherein she amassed a whopping total of 21 goals.
In Denmark, because our first game, I was able to score 6 goals already and in one game, and then there was another game which I scored 2 goals. So I was able to score 8 goals in all.
To top it off, she was also awarded the most valuable player at the Gothia Cup.
Just kept on scoring goals and played well in the tournament.
But she's more than a gifted football player. Sarah's a bright student too, who gets good grades on her report card.
I always say to all, no matter how old they are, is to do well with their academics. Because if you don't do well with your academics, you don't get to play, you don't get to train.
Ibang klase talaga itong si Sarah. In case you still haven't heard of it, she's the poster girl for Alaska.
Being responsible.
Now, Sarah fulfills her dream of becoming a role model for kids and teens by joining the ultimate sports show for kids, ang Sports Kids.
Usually, we do the shooting on Saturdays. We do it on weekends, not on weekdays, so I can catch up on my studies.
Surrounded by a talented cast of young sports heroes turned TV hosts, Sarah flourishes in her new role.
It's new to me and I'm willing to get the hang of it. It's fun. You get to learn meet other people, and you won't be camera shy anymore.
Be it TV hosting or playing football like a pro, with Sarah, anything is possible because she puts in the hard work. Dahil batang Alaska ngayon, superstar bukas.